Hello, so here in this tutorial I want to show you how you can blur a particular section. I earlier in the previous video I talked about pixelation. Photoshop is pixel, so I want to show you how you can blur a particular image. So this blur section, it combines, you try to merge colors together. You right click here, you see this blur tool, you click on it, and if it's showing a cross-like image. So if you want to see the round figures, press, you can see how that particular section is. This is the size. You can reduce the size at any time. So you reduce the size. See what it's doing. You can see it blurs a particular section like this. You want to blur that particular area, you blur it. You blur it so that it doesn't appear visible. This is how you can blur any given area. You want to blur it so that it will not look that sharp again. So for you to undo this, there are different strengths to this blur tool. You can see the size, the hardness. If you want, you can just make it a soft blur. Let's say you can use a different brush. Look at this, click on this soft, then it will not be as hard as what you are expecting to be reduced. And then you can make it normal, you can make it darken. It should be darkened in a bit like this. You can leave it normal. So, and the strength, you can reduce the strength if you don't want it to affect. Let's zoom in a bit. You can see the strength will be minimal, not too much. You can just make a round move on your keyboard, just make a round move, and you see a significant change in it. And let's take it back to 100. From here, any move is visible, clearly visible that is showing something. You can drag in, out. Let's see. So I have this, will be dropped in the description of the video, where to get it and how you use it, and you follow along in the class. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial.